What is up, everybody? Day 2 of fishing the Sandusky River at a different location today, about probably 10 miles away from where I was yesterday. Hopefully the fishing is just as good though, but let's get out there and see. Something literally just saw a fish. Chasing something. So we're gonna walk downstream today. I noticed on the map there's a creek or something that flows into this a little ways down, so we're gonna try and make our way down to that. I know it's not always ideal to wade downstream, but we'll give it a shot today and hopefully it'll work. I do want to show you all what I'm throwing today. At least right now. We have a Battle Baits minigun chartreuse spinnerbait with a Good Hook and Baits paddle tail on there. Got a rock bass. Oh, quick release. Thanks for biting, bud. Finally. Finally got one. Yes. What the heck? That scared the crap out of me. Deer just huffed at me out of nowhere. I didn't even see it. I might just tie on the jig. See if I can't get any to bite that one. There we go. Alright, we just switched it up. Took off the jig, put on the whopper plopper. See if we can't get them to hit some top water. I know they've got to be in here. They're just not biting. So we gotta try and make them bite. I think it's a little rock bass. Nope, it's a little smallie. We finally got a smallmouth. Finally today. Oh, dang. No, don't. Do not shake. There we go. Hey, chill. Little one. I caught one yesterday with a mark like that on it. Thanks for biting. Finally. See what happened there? We put on the whopper plopper and immediately catch a fish. I should have known. There's a good one. There's a good one. Oh. Damn. Damn. That's a bummer. That is a bummer. Is that a rock bass? Nope, it's a smallie. A really little one. We're gonna use the pliers on this guy, because I don't trust him. Oh, well, maybe. Hold on. There we go. Wow. Yeah, that's what we're getting today. Thanks for biting. Better than nothing, I guess. I'm mad we lost that bigger one. I don't think it was a personal best or anything, but it was a decent sized smallie that we lost a minute ago. Another little one. Oh, this one's a rock bass. Rock bass on the whopper plopper. There we go. Thanks for biting, buddy. I guess we'll see. Let's see what's north here just a little bit. Little one. No, it's another rock bass. Another rocky. No shaking on my watch. Maybe. There we go. Chill, bud. Chill, bud. So that's 3 rock bass, 2 smallies, all but 1 on the whopper plopper. Dang. Okay, we've had 2 bites here already, so maybe we'll catch something. Dang, that fish came out of nowhere. I can't believe he didn't get it. All right, so not the day we were hoping for exactly. Got 5 fish, 3 rock bass, 2 smallies. Everything was dinky dinks. Yeah, we're gonna get on the road back to Columbus, and we'll be out here again sometime soon.